Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you to give me such great opportunity to say something about National Science Day. My name is Disha Sharma and I am your science teacher. You might be aware that National Science Day is celebrated on February 28 every year across India. We know that science is used in everyday lives. You have cell phones, video games, tablets, etc. because of science. Why we are celebrating a National Science Day? National Science Day is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life. Do you know about Sir C.V. Raman? I am sure you must have heard about Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. On this day, 1928, he discovered the phenomenon of scattering of photons, which was later known as Raman effect. Sir Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. Sir Raman was born on 7 November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father name was Chandrasekhar Iyer and his mother name was Parvati Ammal. On 28 February 1928, Sir Raman laid an experiment on the scattering of light when he discovered something now is called the Raman effect. One question is arise in your mind, and what is Raman effect? Raman effect explain the effect on scattering of light when passing through a different materials. The Raman effect is a phenomenon in the spectroscopy discovered by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928. Raman effect is basically a change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a beam of light is deflected by the molecules. Next, in 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication asked the Government of India to designate 28 February as a National Science Day, which then Government of India accepted and declared the day as a National Science Day in 1986. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28 February 1987. The day is a celebrating by organizing various activities among students of the schools and colleges, demonstrate various science projects as well as national and state science institutions demonstrate their latest research. The celebration through a speech, quiz, exhibition of science based on a themes and concepts also. The purpose of the day is to widely spread a message about the importance of science in your daily life. This year 2021 theme for National Science Day is Future for STI, impacts on education, skills and works also. As a student, it is your responsibility to honor the great man and his invention by contribution greatly to the field of science through innovative ideas and some kinds of innovative activities you can do also. So in the last session, this is all about Dr. C.V. Raman. Thank you.